G'day, Jonathan here, Hyworth Forklifts. I'm just going to give you a demo here on the new Hyworth Lithium Electric Pallet Jack. Now this replaces your traditional hand pallet jack. This is 100% electric. So I'm just going to show you some of the key features about this awesome little unit. So first thing you're going to just see, it's just got a nice smooth control here. It's actually fully electric in the forward and reverse functions there. Okay, it stops by itself. I don't actually have to engage a brake. It actually just stops as soon as I let go of the accelerator. Okay, these will also go up a bit of a steep incline as well. So as soon as you let go, it's got an automatic park brake. So if I pull that now, it actually isn't moving at all. It automatically pulls up by itself. You're also going to see here that this is a full electric lift. So I've just got a button here for my lift. Okay, and that's fully electric. Now, like I was saying, this is a 2-ton version, so that will pick up 2 ton there. So you got your mechanical lower on the lever here, and I'll just quickly show you how tight this works. So just going to quickly walk around here. All right, now the other unique thing about this particular model is it's lithium battery. So this is your battery pack right here, and it's so easy to replace the battery. You literally just, there's a little plug back here, and you just pull the plug out and the battery just comes out in less than 3 seconds. So you can get a second battery pack if this goes flat, and just to swap the battery, you're in and out in 10 seconds. You just put it in there, connect the plug in the back, and then you're on your way. Okay, so you've got your battery gauge here as well. It's got 4 different settings there. You've also got a horn. Okay, so, and these particular machines are really popular in the back of goods trucks. Normally you can't turn around in the back of a goods truck, but because this is so compact, I'm going to just show you here quickly. I'm just going to pick up this pallet here, and I'll just show you how easy it is to maneuver. So you just come in, pick it up, and you'll just see how compact that is. All right, so there you go. If there's any more information you want to find out about this particular machine, come and look on our website. It's hyworthforklifts.com.au. Thanks for watching.